Hi all, welcome to my video of part 1. In this I will be taking you through the agenda which is displayed here. I am sure everyone is aware with this, however it is always good to get ourselves revised with the basics. So in this video we will go through the concepts like what is a computer, the history of the computer, the first calculator, and the generations of computer. So simply, what is a computer? We can define it as it is defined simply as a calculator, and computer knows only 1 and zeros. For any program, all the calculations for computer are only ones and zeros. Computer knows only 1 and the 0. What is the thought or idea to create a computer? A requirement was to create a device which can calculate the calculations much faster than the human being. So this thought has led to identify a computer. The picture which you are seeing is the first calculator. It is an analytical engine, also called as the calculator. It is a mechanical calculator, which means the human intervention is required to go through the different steps. It is developed by the great English mathematician Charles Babbage, and he was supported by Pascal and Naffin. So analytical engine is the first calculator. Now we will go through the generations of computer. The picture which you are seeing is the first generation computer, and it was invented in the year 1946. It is called as ENIAC, which is electronic numerical integrator and calculator. This is the first electronic calculator. It has around 1800 vacuum tubes. The disadvantages is, as 1800 vacuum tubes were used, it was very big in size, which has created a space management issue. And also, as we have 1800 vacuum tubes, the vacuum tubes which run, we also required many cooling systems to get them cool. Now we will go to the second generation computer. In 1956, all the vacuum tubes were replaced by the transistors. However, the disadvantages is, to get the output it was taking a lot of time, and also the transistors were costly, as it required more number of transistors, the cost was more. So then we moved to the third generation computer in the year 1966, and in the year 1966, all the transistors which were used in the second generation are integrated to a single device, which is called as a medium scale integration. However, the disadvantages with this is, all the transistors are integrated to a single device, all the transistors will be running parallelly, so which in turn says as the number of transistors are working, there was a very large amount of heat which was produced, and which in turn required the cooling systems. Then in 1972 we moved to the fourth generation computer, which is nothing but the MOSFET, the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. The current computers which we are using is the fourth generation computer. And as an idea or a thought, we have fifth generation computer, which we can say as artificial intelligence, which uses the language translator, and also we can go with the paperless office. This is all about part 1. Yes, we are known with most of the things. However, I assume we got an opportunity to get revised with ourselves with the computer, the first calculator, and the generations of the computer. Thank you.